In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the run speed on your Meistergram PR1500. To adjust the run speed on your Meistergram PR1500 machine, simply locate the speed indicator. The speed indicator will be surrounded by a plus and minus key. To raise the speed, simply press the plus key. To lower the speed, press the minus key. The set speed you choose will be displayed on the screen. Your Meistergram PR1500 is capable of speeds of up to 1200 stitches per minute. For cap embroidery, we recommend maxing the speed to 650. For flat embroidery, we recommend anywhere between 700 to 850 for a good, stable, consistent run. The recommended speed settings vary on the machine depending on what materials you'll be using, such as caps, flats, whether it's denim or a denser material. You want to adjust the speed according to the type of material that you'll be sewing. For caps, we recommend sewing up to speeds of 650 stitches per minute, while on flats, we recommend sewing upwards to 850. These recommended speeds are common embroidery speeds used in the industry for production. This concludes the run speed adjustment on a Meistergram PR1500.